Hey everyone! Welcome to Ender IT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text message background on Android using the dark mode feature. This feature will make your text messages look cooler and more stylish while also saving your battery life. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's dive into the method. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Tap on Display. This is where you can adjust the brightness, font size, and other display settings of your phone. Now, you'll see dark mode and a toggle switch next to it. To enable it, turn the toggle on by tapping it. You'll notice that your phone's background changes to black and the text changes to white. This is dark mode, which will make your text messages look more elegant and eye-catching. If you'd like to use the light mode, the default mode, turn off the toggle by tapping it again. Your phone's background will change to white, and the text will change to black. This is light mode, which makes your text messages look brighter and clearer. That's it. You've successfully changed the text message background on Android using the dark mode feature. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.